Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Wiggins Hair, and they sent me, I think this is their water wave. It looks more like a water wave than a deep wave. Hold on for a second. Okay, so it's not on the box, but honestly it looks more like a water wave texture to me. I think it's water wave, but the full details and description will be down in the description box. So this wig came pre-cut, it came pre-curled, it came pre-styled, pre-bleached. Even the baby hairs were already out, but I went in and kind of, you know, spice it up a little bit. It is 24 inches. I think it's 180 density, and it's very thick for 180 density. This hair is very soft, literally no shedding or minimal, like literally nothing. But before we jump into the installation of the wig and how I got this hair to look like this, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. Inside the package they sent me some stocking cap, some lashes, their Wiggins Hair elastic band, baby hair comb, the dust bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it, and they also sent me some lace tape that you can actually put on your hair. It helps with the side parts, because a lot of times when you're doing like a glueless install or like an install where the lace is already cut off, sometimes the ear tabs tend to give a lot of problems. These tapes pretty much help to hold it down so it can actually stay in place for the amount of time that you would actually love for it to stay. I don't really like using these tapes, but that's just a personal preference for me. I just don't like them on my edges. I just went ahead and used some hairspray and it held down fine for me. There was no issue. But if you don't have hairspray or you don't want to put any hairspray on your hair, then you can use the wig tape. But yeah, as for the wig, like I said, it is 24 inches water wave. It came pre-styled, so the cornrows, the braids were actually in it. The baby hairs were a little bit out, but I went in and I kind of changed it up a little bit. But for the most part, I really did not do anything to this wig. It came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-styled. So honestly, less than 10 minutes, you're good, you're out the door. But if you guys love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Wonder
end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. If I have a coupon code or anything of that sort, it will also be down below as well. But for now, this is the end. Once again, I'd love to thank Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video, and yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.